Happy New Year, everyone. I know it's February 20th, but it's still a new year. We are still working on our dreams and our goals. And I am just so excited to be coming to you live today, February 20th, 2017, to express a interest in helping you better your credit. Now, my name is Katrina Latrice Williams. I am a proud cancer survivor now for over 31 and a half years, a happy wife, a successful entrepreneur, and a strong woman of God. And I understand how important credit is. Just to tell you all a little about myself, and it's not to impress you, but to impress upon you. I have my business degree in business administration. I accomplished my associate's degree through Ashford University. And I have worked with a lot of successful individuals from multiple six-figure earners, connecting with millionaires, and just regular everyday people. I have a wide variety of businesses under my belt, building a corporation, but I was able to actually get to the success point in my life all from understanding the importance of credit. Credit is very important. Now, what is credit? According to Google, it is the ability of a customer to obtain goods or services before a payment. It's actually based on trust that the payment will be made in the future. For example, many of us have been at these different car maintenance companies where we desperately needed our cars fixed, but we didn't have $300, $500, $1,000 to get it fixed. So that's where credit would have been able to come in to help us. Credit is basically our life because it helps us with a place to stay, a vehicle to drive back and forth to work in order to have money flowing in. And nowadays, in the 21st century, it's all based on employment as well. A lot of the employers out here are checking consumers' credit to determine if they want that individual to work at their company or not. And lastly, credit also determines your financial state. Now, I would like to share with you this information is for informational purposes only. I do recommend reaching out to me if you want further details. Now, credit score is very important in your life as well. The credit scores actually gives lenders a quick and fair way to approve more loans, more credit for goods and services, and a wide variety of different reasons why they would check your credit. Even the insurance companies are checking your credit nowadays. Now, your credit score is based on a wide variety of factors. It's not just one thing that will just keep your credit score high. It's based on things like how much your total balance is owed on your credit from all the different accounts that you have, to how many late payments you have on your credit report, and so many other factors that determine if you will have a high credit score, which is good, or a bad credit score, which is low. Did you know that most Americans actually have less than perfect credit? So now that we all understand that we are in pretty much the same situation because the average person was not educated on finances. We didn't really get that financial education that we needed, when it came to budgeting our money, how much to spend on credit cards when we do get approved, not to accept every credit card that comes into the mail, and just a wide variety of things. And because we didn't have that education, it caused a lot of us to have bad credit. And honestly, bad credit can give us life problems. Why? Think about this. For the average person that may make less than 25,000 a year, and for whatever reason they haven't been able to purchase a brand new car to avoid those car problems on a monthly basis. Well, because they don't have good credit, that means they are forced to go and pretty much settle for a vehicle so that they can get back and forth to work every single week in order to take care of their children at home or whatever other case it may be. So by an individual not understanding that it's not good to continue to have people checking your credit because that lowers your credit score. They just go out every year when tax returns do come, and they go and purchase a new car. Now, a lot of these cars, they may end up getting it at small lots where it may be a credit check, but they only paying up to 200 a month. However, they get high interest rates all because their credit score is low. I am the perfect example. When I wasn't educated on maintaining a good credit score, I got approved for a vehicle, which it was a 92 Honda Civics, and that was about 98, 99 that I was purchasing it, maybe early 2000. They charged me 36% interest. Why? Because my credit score was not as high. On top of that, my income wasn't as much, so I needed um, a cosigner. So every year I started finding myself looking for a new car because I got tired of having those car issues. So building your credit up will allow you to get a vehicle that will have less problems, and also by you being able to go to bigger car lots that can actually offer warranty to you, all because you had good credit. So credit is very important. Also, think about the time when you don't really have money, you don't have good credit, but you want your children to have a good Christmas. Well, if you had good credit, you will be able to get that credit card to be able to get Christmas and pay yourself back. However, that bad credit score is stopping you from even getting approved for a credit card. You may want to travel the world, but what if, you're a average individual, but you want to just live your dreams and just go on this dream vacation you always been dreaming about? Well, if you don't have good credit nor the money, that stops your dreams. It kills your dreams. But at least having a better credit score could get you in that position to get some type of credit card in order for you to go on that trip and you pay your credit card off. Or whatever other decisions you decide. Maybe it's a loan from a credit union. But there's so many different ways that can harm you in your life all because of having bad credit. You're actually spending a lot more money than you should, all because of bad credit. And for those of us that need a place to lay our heads, well, all based on our credit is all based on where we're going to live. And last but not least, if we're not educated on how to maintain our finances, how to be able to keep a good credit score, that stops us and slows us down from educating our children. So we want to turn that bad credit into good credit. And I'm just so very excited to be able to connect with each individual that's interested in restoring their credit. Connect with me. You can visit my website at KatrinaLatriceWilliams.com. Connect with my connect with me via email, freedom150movement@gmail.com. I'm also a certified travel agent. So if you're looking to go on a travel vacation soon, definitely reach out to me. But once again, it's very important to fix your credit. Now, some of you is like, I really need to fix my credit, but right now I don't have the money. I recommend starting off with something small. If you can't get your credit restored 100% right now, because our company will charge a low rate every single month to help you restore your credit, and you can actually monitor it at the same time. We actually have a great program called Rental Karma. This is a way to help you build your credit without you going into immediate debt, like going into getting a credit card. We also have other options you could use without going into debt from other companies, but using your own money to build your credit up as well. So you definitely want to reach out to me. But this karma will help you build your credit by giving you a new trade line in your credit report. And every month you pay your rent, we can actually report that to the credit bureau, which that will help you build your credit up. So I would be happy to give you more information on our Rental Karma program to get you started with helping to build your credit up. Now, if you have a lot of debt on your credit, then that will take a credit consultation with you personally, one-on-one, to get you started on your road to restoring your credit. With that being said, I wanted to share with everyone the success that we also have. Congratulations to one of my clients, Miss Thomas out of Atlanta, Georgia. She started her credit restoration about a month or so ago, and her credit score increased within the last 45 days to 60 days, a matter of 100 points. Not only that, she was approved for a brand new car within the last couple of days, and I'm just so excited to be helping individuals accomplish their dreams and goals in life. Her next goal is to purchase her own home, and you can be that individual as well. I want to also welcome Miss Cicely from out of the Virgin Islands. She actually just became a lifestyle consultant, ready to help other individuals build their credit as well and restore their credit. So we are having a lot of success with our credit company, but it's very important to educate everyone to know that we are here to help you and give you that the tools, the knowledge, and the education to grow. I have a lot of endorsements from hundreds of people when it comes to different services from entrepreneurship, customer service, and marketing, and so much more. So we are here to help you grow and restore your credit. Reach out to me as soon as possible so we can do a free consultation and get you on the road to restoring your credit today. With that being said, I am Katrina Latrice Williams. It was definitely a pleasure to be able to share with everyone education on how you can fix your credit.